Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Spanish in 5.
Today, we explain por versus para in a simple A2 way.
That's right. In English, we often just say for, but in Spanish, we have to choose por or para.
Here is the easy idea.
Para is for a destination, a person, or a goal. Think of it like an arrow pointing forward.
Right, and por is for a reason, a cause, or an exchange, like a payment.
Let's start with para.
Okay, for a destination. Voy para Madrid. I'm going to Madrid.
Salgo para España mañana. I leave for Spain tomorrow.
And for a person, este regalo es para ti. This gift is for you.
La carta es para mi madre. The letter is for my mother.
And finally, a goal. Estudio para aprender español. I study to learn Spanish.
Trabajo para ganar dinero. I work to earn money.
Okay, that's para. Now let's do por.
For a reason or cause. Estoy aquí por trabajo. I'm here because of work.
Gracias por tu ayuda. Thanks for your help.
Lo siento por el retraso. Sorry for the delay.
And for exchange or payment. Pago 10 euros por el libro. I pay 10 euros for the book.
Te doy un café por tu consejo. I'll give you a coffee for your advice.
A super common one when for means a duration of time, it's always por.
Por 2 días, for 2 days.
Por una semana, for 1 week.
Vivo aquí por un año. I live here for a year.
Okay, time for a quick comparison to see the difference.
Este café es para Ana. This means the coffee is for Anna. She will drink it. It's her destination.
But if you say lo hago por Ana, it means I do it because of Anna or for her sake. That's the reason.
Exactly. Now for some repeat practice. Just listen and repeat.
Para ti.
Para mañana.
Por trabajo.
Por 10 euros. Okay, mini quiz time. Just say por or para.
Number 1, thanks for coming.
That's gracias por venir.
Number 2, this is for my friend.
Es para mi amigo.
3, I study to pass the exam.
Estudio para aprobar el examen.
And last one, I paid 5 euros for the sandwich.
Pagué 5 euros por el sándwich.
Nice. So to recap, para equals destination, person, or goal. Por equals reason, exchange, or duration.
In our next episode, we'll cover Spanish pronunciation basics so you can sound more confident.
Hasta pronto.